If you like to play poker but you can't remember the rules and you need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I like to play poker with my friends every now and then. I don't do it all that regularly, so when we do it, I said do. When we do it, I have to refresh myself on what the rules are. And there are so many versions of poker and variations on it, it's hard to keep them all straight. But even the simple things like which hand beats which hand is something that I don't remember off the top of my head. So that's why I picked up this. Let's take a close look at it. So what I have here is a little stack of cards. They're all the same, so I'm not going to show them all to you, but I'm going to pull out one here. And it's because when I would get ready to go to a poker game, I would go online and print out which hands beat which hands, right? And I would actually have this little cheat sheet, and it would sit next to me, and sometimes I'd have to reference it. And one of the things that I thought was funny is how many of the other people would ask to see it because they also don't know, especially if you don't play a lot of poker. Now, this card here is just about the size of a regular playing card, so it's kind of nice, and it's kind of laminated. It feels a little bit like plastic in some ways, so hopefully it won't disintegrate over time, wear out with you touching it. But I did buy it in what appears to be like a 10-pack here, so I have a lot of spares, and this can be nice if you're hosting a poker game. You can hand these out to different people. But what we have here is thepokerstore.com. I guess that's where I got it, and we have the rules of Texas Hold'em, a very popular poker game. So there are the rules printed on the back there, so you don't need to ask everyone for a refresher. But what's more important is on this side, for me, the rank of the hands, like what beats what. So down here is kind of the lowest one, high card. Okay, I don't have anything that matches anywhere, numbers, colors, any of that. So an ace high would be, say, a king high, but one pair, two pair, a set, a straight, a flush, full house, four of a kind, straight flush. So what this helps me do here is figure out, all right, I've got two pair, jacks and eights, but that's not going to beat, someone who has three of a kind, or someone who has a straight, which is literally just 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of any suit, it looks like, a flush, all the same suit, full house, so 7s over 3s here, 4 of a kind. Okay, so 4 of a kind, that makes sense because you really only have 3 of a kind here. So 4 of a kind, straight flush, so 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and of the same suit, and then a royal flush where they are the highest cards you can have. So this is really nice. Sometimes I'll just set it right next to me so that I can look down. If I am winning, I can kind of look down without picking it up and being like, oh, okay. And then everyone knows what you have. So just something that you can reference. But for someone like me who doesn't play that often, you don't want to ask because that'll give away what you have. You can pick this up so that you'll know what beats what, as well as what those rules of Texas Hold'em are. Looks like we got ourselves a Mexican standoff. So, if you want to pick up this package right here, I'll put a link to it because I got 10 of them from thepokerstore.com, and I think these are going to be pretty helpful. I'm going to definitely have these ready so that when I get the call to go to a poker game, I grab one of these. Might just keep them in the wallet too. So, hey, if you want to pick these up, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.